Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy version of the beloved P.F. Chang's lettuce cups, but entirely vegan. Not only is our meat substitute today delicious, but it's really healthy for us. We have walnuts full of omega-3s, we have onions, we have poultry seasoning, and we have button mushrooms. And mushrooms are great for our brains. And it all starts with grinding our mushrooms and walnuts using a food processor. The first step is sauteing our onion. We have half a cup diced onion. Have the pan on medium low. Just enough oil to just kind of coat the bottom. It's maybe a tablespoon. We're gonna add our onion. We're just gonna lightly saute. We're gonna lightly season our onions. We're not gonna go crazy because we have a lot of big seasoned flavors coming later in the recipe. We have just a little bit of color happening. That's perfect. We're gonna add our walnuts. Start the cooking of our walnuts. We're gonna add our mushrooms. Just over half a pound. Roughly 5 cups. I know it looks like a lot, but they're gonna cook down. And it's gonna be like, where did all the mushrooms go? We're gonna cook on top of the stove for roughly 5 minutes. I'm still over medium heat. We have a tablespoon of molasses. We have a tablespoon of black vinegar. We're gonna mix those. And we're gonna essentially dilute the molasses, which is going to make it a lot easier to get out of the bowl. And then we're going to add our tablespoon of poultry seasoning. The 3 are mixed. We're going to add it to our mushrooms and walnut. Mix, and we're gonna pop this in the oven. All right, up to the oven. We're back from the oven. 20 minutes at 400 degrees. This is one of my favorite parts of the dish, the fried rice noodle. It's so crispy and yummy. And I like to add just like a nice sprinkling of togarashi right on top as soon as it comes out. Basically, all you have to do is work in small batches so we don't overload the pan. And you have your hot oil, not so hot that it like burns immediately. And all you have to do is pop them in and fry them. Now we're at the fun part. We have our walnut mushroom crumble ready to go. We have half a cup of vegan hoisin sauce. We have a teaspoon of ground ginger. We have a tablespoon and a half of rice wine vinegar. Roughly a tablespoon of soy sauce. And I don't know, teaspoon, give or take, of gochujang. I would use sriracha, but I was out, and this is what I had. So it's spicy, it's pickled, it's flavorful, it's amazing. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna add the sauce right to the pan. I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit. While that's warming gently, we're gonna get started on slicing our scallions. We have our scallions chopped. It was about 4 large scallions. We have our sliced water chestnut, and we're just gonna do a rough slice down on them. Doesn't need to be perfect. We just need to make them a little more bite-sized. It's time to finish our mix. We're gonna add our scallions. Just enough heat to wilt the scallions just a little bit. And add our water chestnuts. Once again, just warm everything up. Once it's warm, we are ready to assemble our lettuce cups. Honestly, this is going to become a weekly rotation for you, whether you put it on rice, you put it on pasta, or as Julie recommended, you put it in a tortilla, which I'm putting everything into tortillas. I think it's time to take a bite. We're going to start with our little crispy rice noodle, fried, tossed with togarashi. Yum. We're going to put our mushroom walnut crumble right on top. I have to make this a manageable bite so that I don't look crazy when I eat it. Wow, that was really, really good. It's so good, I want you to make it, and I say that every week, and I hope you're making them. Let me know how it goes, and as always, I'll see you next week. Bye.